One more problem on house property where composite rent is given. So in this problem there is one major difference. What you can observe is composite rent. Composite rent payable by the tenant is given in this particular problem. Now before working out the problem we should know what is composite rent. See, here when it comes to component rent, different amenities will be added to this particular value. Like if the cost of the different amenities are borne by the landlord and the same amount is included in the composite rent, then the composite rent will be arrived. So in that case, that amount of money what is borne by the employer will be borne by the house owner will be deducted, and whatever amount of rent is there, that will call it as rent received. Now what are these amenities? Amenities may be like different types of bills, maybe electricity bill, lift maintenance bill, watchman charges, gardener charges, so their salaries. So these things, if it is included in the rent, then it is called as composite rent. So all those included items you are going to deduct. Yes, we'll see the problem. The owner owns two houses. He is letting out one house throughout the year. So one house is completely let out. Second house was used by him for the own residence for first 8 months. 8 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಇತ್ತು. So for the first 8 months it is self-occupied. So if it is self-occupied for whole year, in the sense annual value is nil, but here it is only for 8 months and was let out on 1st December for a monthly rent of 14,000 rent. So from December, in the sense December and next 3 months, 4 months rent it will come. You have to compute the income of the house property from the available information. We'll see quickly. We'll see the information. And now two houses are there. Separately information is given for house 1 and house 2. Municipal valuation is there, fair rent value is there, standard rent is not given. So yes, standard rent is not given. Composite rent is there. So when composite rent is there, whatever expenses included in that are supposed to be deducted. Municipal tax paid is not given for first house. When it is paid is not given, in that case we are not deducting it. Next, municipal tax due is there. Due, anyhow we cannot deduct. If it is paid, then only we can deduct. Paid is 0, so we cannot deduct it. Next, repairs. See, repairs in normal case till now we have not considered repairs, so repairs will not come in our calculation. Whoever it had paid, maybe tenant or the owner, anyone pays it, we are not considering the repairs. Next, electricity bill, water bill, lift maintenance charges, these are paid by the SSC. These are paid by the SSC and it is included in this composite rent. So first what you have to do is you have to total some of these items, 1500 to 1600 and 2400. So it will come up to 2400, 1600, 4000, 5500 it will come. That 5500 you have to deduct from this amount, that is 39500. So whatever answer you will get, that is the answer, that is the rent received. So concept may be clear to you. So repairs we cannot consider in any of the problems. We are not considering electricity bill, water bill and lift maintenance. These three problems we are going, and these three items you are going to deduct from composite rent. Then collection charges is there. Earlier also we have not considered. It will not come in any of the calculation. So composite collection charges we are not considering. That is about first house. So municipal value, fair rental value is there, standard rent is not there, composite rent is there 39,500. From that 39,500, 5,500 we are going to deduct. So 5,500 means 34,000 it will come. So 34,000 will be our rent receivable. So in this case our gross annual value will be 32, 31, highest is 32. There is no standard rent. Expected rent is 32,000 and here after deducting we'll get 34,000. We'll compare both of them. When you are comparing both of them, 34,000 is the highest value we will get. From that value we are supposed to deduct municipal taxes, but here municipal taxes are not there, nil. 30% standard deduction, if you deduct, you'll get the final answer. That is for house 1. We'll see for the house 2, second house. When it comes to second house, it is given in there. First, at the beginning, this particular house is self-occupied. He is using for his own residence. Later, it is let out for 4 months. Now, you have to consider expected rent is 1,51,000 and 1,40,000. Highest one is 1,51,000. So expected rent is 1,51,800. Now rent received is a one more thing. See, rent received is not given here, but here it is given 14,000. 14,000 into 14,000 into 4 we are supposed to do. But here 14,000 into 4, if we do, or when we are doing 14,000 into 4, you will get 14,000 into 4 in the sense 48,000. So 48,000 it will come. When you compare 151,800 and 48,000, 151 itself will be the highest. But in that way also you can do, you will get the highest value as 151 itself. But in case of second house, step 2 is not at all applicable. Yeah, because rent received is less than expected rent. So and one more thing is, it was not vacant. Vacant adre information we have to consider. It is not vacant, it is self-occupied. If it was vacant, then different calculation will come, and 54,000 itself, 54, 56, whatever amount we will get, 14,000 into 4, right? So that amount we are supposed to consider. So now there's no confusion. 151,800 itself is the highest value, so that itself is our gross annual value. From that we have to deduct municipal taxes if it is paid. Yes, municipal tax is paid here. One amount is there here, 15,000, that we will deduct. Whatever answer we will get, that is annual value. Annual value in the 30% standard deduction we will deduct. Interest on housing loan is not there, so whatever answer we will get, that is our final answer. So that is the thing. We'll see to the solution. A little simple problem, maybe one of this is the last problem of this particular chapter. If needed, maybe one more problem I am going to work out. If more questions are needed, more things are to be worked out, please please send me a text message or WhatsApp me. Good. Yes, so these are things. We'll see to the solution. This will be our solution. Hope you have written the problem. If not, pause the video and write it. So this is the solution. 2 amount columns. As I told, expected rent was 32,000, 32 and 34. How you got this 34,000? 39,500 minus 5,500. 39,500 minus 5,500. So you arrive at what it is, rent pay, actually received. When you compare these two, 34 is the highest one. 34 you do not have given any amount of municipal tax has been paid, so no municipal tax is paid. Only one deduction, that is 30% standard deduction. When you do that, you will get 23,800 as a final answer. When it comes to second house, expected rent is 51,800. I told second and the step is not applicable. If we are considering that also, 151 is the highest value, so that is the amount we have to consider. Municipal taxes are given in the problem, that we are going to deduct. We will arrive at annual value. On annual value, 30% standard deduction are supposed to be considered. So 30% standard deduction on annual value, it will be 41,040. When you deduct it, both the you will get 95,760. That is income from house 2, 95,760. When you total both the items, you will get the final answer, that is 1,19,560. So this is the thing. Solve the problem, pause the video and solve the problem. If you have not written the problem, that also you write. Pause the video, write the problem. These are the things. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the comments, or you can personally ask me. Thank you.